In this video, we are going to explain or going to understand the introductory aspects of Excel, Microsoft Excel. So this video is going to explain to you what you need to do as a beginner, Excel, exploring it and getting to know more about data analysis within Excel. So we're going to explore the Excel environment so that you understand different parts of Excel environment and how you can use the functionality in it. So here we are going to start off with active cell. Active cell in Excel shows you the cell that is currently selected. Like you can see in this video, cell D4 is currently selected. This small box that has sharpened rectangular shape. So this is the active cell in this page. You can activate any cell of your choice by clicking on it or using F2. And you can see that what gives a cell the address is the column name and the row number. You can see that in the address bar D4 because it's column 3 and row 4. That is active cell. Next one is column. A column is a vertical set of cells. Vertical set of cells in Excel will have 16,384 columns. And each of these columns are identified with alphabet A to C, A to X, M, E, Excel. Likewise, in the rows are the horizontal set of cells in Excel. It has numbering 1 to 1 million plus. We have 1,448,536 rows in Excel. So no matter how large the file is, Excel can take up that figure for you. So each row contains a record of an item or any person. So that is that for a row. It is the vertical aspect of the vertical is horizontal set of rows in Excel. Then the next one is view handle. Take a look at this box that's activated. Here you see a small rectangle shape. This is called a view handle. It automatically fills in data for you, numbers or range of numbers of values. Depends on the instruction given to it. With no time, watch to the end of the video so that you learn how to use this view handle. I will get to the cell. So that is that for view handle. The next one is address bar. I've said something about this before when I talk about active cell. The active cell address bar shows the active cell of the window. It's found on the left side of the window. That is the address bar for you. Then the formula bar shows the formula or the content of each cell. You know, Excel is a mathematical app, so it deals with a lot of functions and formulas, and this can be found if there's any types in sheet. So that is that for formula bar. The next one I want to be looking at is the title bar. Over here, you have the title bar. It bears the name you give to your work. You save this as sales. What you see here is sales.xl, extension name of Excel. So that is title bar for you over here. The next one is the file menu. The file menu here comprises of print, save as, share, and all other functions that have different functionalities in Excel. So when we dive into the Excel environment, you see how they all function. Then the next one I want to talk about is the quick access toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. Here. The quick access toolbar is a shortcut key to many functions in Excel. This is where you put those functions or those tools that you frequently use so that you won't be looking for it or going through a long process to get it. So if you are in an environment or you're in a working place where you use Excel, where you send a mail almost all the time, it is an ideal thing for you to add a mail icon here in quick access bar. Just watch to the end of this video. You're going to see how all this can be done within a click of a button. All right, so that is that for quick access so far. The next one is the ribbon button. We have here the file, set, page layout, formulas, data. They are all ribbon tab. Each of these are menus of different functionalities. As we go further, you will learn how they are being used. Then the worksheet. In Excel, we have several worksheets. We have sheet 1, 2, 3, even to 100, depends on what you are doing. So it's very easy for you to add to it, clicking on the plus sign here, and you can also rename it. You can also color it and beautify it the way you want. Just like different pages of Excel, these are the pages of Excel. All right. So let's move to the next one, which is the status bar. Look at the status bar here. This is where it shows you the status of what you are working in your Excel. Instant help once you start Excel. It gives you an instant help once you work in on Excel sheet. So without much further ado, we're going to move over to the Excel environment. We're going to move over to Excel environment, and here we have it. And before I go further to explain further what I just showed you in my slide, I want you to click the subscription button, like this video, show it to that your friend or your colleague that wanting to start a data analysis job or want to learn of Excel. So that is that. Thank you for subscribing to my page because I'm going to be showing you what things to do about Excel, what things about Power BI, what is about data analysis, and in addition on how to use your digital skills. All right, so let's dive into what we have today in Excel. So look at here, I have activated A1, cell A1. If you look at the address bar, you can see here. And this is active cell here. And I told you about the rows and columns. These are different columns, A to Z and all of that. There are many that stay more behind that you can make use of at your own time. Then also we have the rows 0, 1 to 1 billion plus here. So the rows are the horizontal set of cells, while the columns are the vertical set of cells. As I said before in the view handle, that this sharp square, small square here is the view handle of Excel document or Excel app. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let me just do a little example. This is what I want the number 1 to 20. All I need to do is to give it an instance. I've done 1 and 2. All I need is to select this 1 and 2 and click on this small icon. It will change to a plus sign. Once it changes to a plus sign, all you need is to click and drag it. It will number it 1 to 20 for you. Now, without you typing any number on your keyboard, you've been able to number 1 to 20 or even 1 to 1000. All you need is to click and drag it down or use your scroll button on your mouse to scroll down and the numbers will appear automatically. It also works for months, dates, and the multiples of the day, the days of the week. So let me try. I just typed 1 day. So let me see how my fill handle will help me to fill the remaining days of the week. All I need is to click and drag, fill it for me automatically. So it's too intelligent to know how the sequence will do. And also, it's also puts the instruction you give to it. That is the beauty aspect of view handle. It's very, very good if you know how to use it. It eats you of some stress in your job. So that is that for view handle. Then this is the file menu. The file menu has several other options where you can create a new document. You open already existing file in your system, or you work on, you can save save as, you can print, share, and so many others. These are what you do in the file menu over here. Then also, we have different ribbons, insert, page layout menu, and all of that. Each of these have different functions for you to use. Like in a home tab, I have clipboard, fonts to change my fonts, to make it bold, to color it, to align it to center, left or right, to wrap my text, to merge and centralize. These are different functionality found in a home tab. Likewise, in an insert tab, we have the likes of inserting a pivot table, inserting your column chart, pivot chart, and equals. These are what you find inserting a table you find in an insert menu. Page layout talks about how you manage your page, the landscape, portrait, how you want to view it, the grid lines or not. Then formula talks about it has every functionality, arithmetic, relational formula that you need in Excel. It is found under this group. Then when it comes to data analysis, is in the data menu that you use to get insight in various tabs or the various information you have in your worksheet. So the data here gives you insight, helps you to draw insight on the information you have in your data. All you need is here in the file. So and so on and so forth. So with time, you will understand how these things function. Okay, and another thing you talk about is the sheet. You have sheet 1, 2, 3. I've even renamed this. I can also rename this. I can write this for, let's say, product. Or this one I can write it. I can rename this as expenses. Something like so. You can rename, you can color it. It helps you to put different pages of your worksheet. And the good thing about this workbook is that you can refer any of these in your formulas and it gives you the right function if you know how to do it. And I know with time, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm going to go into the in-depth to show you how you can reference different sheets and reference different workbooks in your calculations. So having said all of that, let me go back to my first sheet, use the expenses. Now I want to show you what status bar does for you. So if I select all these rows, these 20 figures, in my status bar, it's showing me that I have average, or it has automatically calculated the average of all the numbers I selected, which is 10.5. It counted the number of rows I selected, which is 20, and it also sum all the figures there for me, showing me 210. So there is the advantage of your status bar. At a glance, you can know what is happening on your worksheet. So that is that for now in your worksheet. You can also zoom. If I want to make it bigger so that you see what I'm doing, I zoom in from here. I scroll up, see what I'm doing. It's now bigger. So you can use this arrow here or use your scroll button on your mouse to make it bigger or smaller. So having said all of this, in our next video, I'm going to show you some basic arithmetic function that is used in Excel. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are just starting your journey as a data analyst. So you just want to learn more about Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll be showing you all you need to know in Excel, and equally you can make money from it on online space. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you and bye for now. Thank you.